We've seen the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in person for the first time. And, although it may seem practically similar to its predecessor at first sight, a deeper examination shows some small but significant differences. The leak comes from Weibo tipster Satsuma Digital, who posted a shot showing the Fold 7 in action, coupled with what seems to be a screen cover for the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7. We know exactly what you're thinking. Isn't that simply the Fold 6? Fair question, considering the design is so similar, but there are a few obvious signals we're looking at something fresh. The first thing to consider is the hue. This ice blue color is not part of the Z Fold 6 collection. So either Samsung is feeling cold this year, or we are looking at the upcoming Z model. Take a look at the frame next. The back's metal surrounds are gone. That might imply that Samsung is changing up the structure, perhaps opting for a cleaner, slimmer style. Third, the flash, it sits just a little lower than on the Fold 6. There isn't much of a change, but it's enough to say this isn't just a repaint job. While this one picture does not corroborate anything, rumor has it that the Fold 7 will be somewhat bigger. We're talking 8.2 inches when open and 6.5 inches when closed, as opposed to 7.6 and 6.3 inches for the Fold 6. So you'll have a bit more screen space for multitasking. Other anticipated changes include a gigantic 200-megapixel primary camera, which will replace the previous 50-megapixel shooter, a slimmer profile, and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite CPU under the hood for blistering speed. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will most likely be announced during a Galaxy Unpacked event in July, if history repeats itself. But this is a Samsung product. We wouldn't be shocked if further leaks emerged before then. So, how do you like the new appearance of the upcoming Z Fold 7? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.